Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Poonam, Madaan,
author of.
break free from stress.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
So I would like to say that this is not my first experience here,
Right.
but this is my first experience with my book here.
Wow.
So obviously this is really exciting,
Right.
and I have spread the news everywhere around. And because I am from Delhi, so a lot of my friends are going to visit here, and I have asked them to share their picture also with my book.
Right.
And today I specially came here to sign the book so that I can hand over the author signed copies to anyone who visits here.
Where did this book derive from? Were you going through a phase where there was a lot of stress and did you find ways to tackle it and that's what this book is about?
I would not say, because generally whenever I hear someone who is a motivational speaker, they always start with a story of sadness or gloom. But for me, I would say I have always been a cheerful person.
Right.
And everyone used to ask me, what is that one thing that makes you cheerful?
Right.
You are always smiling. So I somehow thought, why not to spread this wisdom to the
Right.
people? And this is how my journey started.
Right.
And as you all know, yes, stress is something every one of us is going through. Sometimes it's extreme, sometimes it's slow. So this book I definitely feel will help people, because I feel stress cannot be minus from the life.
Right.
It will always be there. We
Right.
just have to learn how to manage it.
Right.
So that is the purpose of this book.
All of our, aspiring writers in our community, what is some writing tips you'd want to give them?
There will be times when you will start feeling that no, I cannot complete this book.
Right.
But still, then also take a pause, start again, but don't stop till the deadline is reached. And set a deadline for you. And if it is a tight deadline, it becomes easier for you to motivate yourself. And that is how it happened.
Wow. Thank you so much for sharing that experience with us.
Thank
I
you
hope
so
you have a
much.
wonderful book fair, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you.